Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very light, soft, moist and so delicious coconut butter cake. This is an easy recipe with great results every time. And once you try this recipe, I'm sure you're going to make it time and again. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Start with beating the eggs. Here goes the 2 eggs, and into this I'm adding vanilla extract, and I'm going to mix this or beat this roughly. Just make sure that the both of the things are combined. Now keep it aside and let's cream our butter and sugar. So I've taken soft butter. See, do take soft butter here, and into this I've added some caster sugar. So first we'll just mix this with our rubber spatula because this makes it easy for us to beat the sugar and the butter mixture. Okay. So now we are going to take our hand mixer and we are going to cream this until this is a very soft, light, fluffy and pale for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, add your egg mixture into this gradually in 2 to 3 batches and keep mixing the batter. Okay. So here goes the final one. So now I've added whole of that egg and vanilla mixture into this. Keep beating until everything is combined. And now I'll just scrape the sides and the bottom of the pan just to make sure that nothing is left at the bottom and everything is mixed properly. Okay. So let's beat this for another few seconds. Okay, now we're good to go. So our wet ingredients are ready now, and I'm going to stop using my hand mixer now at this stage, and now I'll be using my spatula to mix the dry and the wet together. So now I'm going to add my flour into this. So this is flour and the baking powder I've added, and now I'm going to sift both of these together directly into the wet ingredients. Just mix it with the spatula with light hands. So our batter seems dry right now, so I'll be adding milk gradually. So you can add anything between 20 to 40 ml. Just see how your batter is. It should not be too runny and it should not be very dry. Because we are going to add dry coconut into this, so it should not be very dry. So at the end I'm adding the dry shredded coconut into this, and again mix this with light hands. Just make sure that coconut is properly distributed in the batter. And now I'm shifting the batter in my baking pan. You can take anything between 6 to 7 inches loaf pan. So smoothen the batter, just level it at the surface and then sprinkle some dry coconut over it. Now you can use as much amount of dry coconut on the top as you want. So bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. And do not forget to preheat your oven. So here is our ready coconut butter cake, and see how beautiful it is looking. Such a beautiful edges, golden brown edges it has. So let it cool over here on the wire rack for 10-15 minutes and then we'll come back and demold it. So our cake is cool now. It's been 20 minutes. So let's take it out of the pan and I'll show you how it looks like. This can be a nice cake to serve with the tea and coffee in the evening. You can also use it during the breakfast time. These cakes can be made as a mini loaf cakes and they can be served during your high teas. See, this is a perfect, good looking and yummy butter cake with the flavor of coconut inside it. So I hope you like this recipe of mine and you will try it at home. And if you try it, do share the pictures with me on my Instagram, Dipali Khanna Ori. I always look forward for your pictures, for your messages and your comments. So do not forget to comment under the video about this cake or about anything you want me to bake for you. So until next time, take good care of yourself and happy baking.